Hello.
Right, we've got Taylor King here with his B9 Audi S4. This car's a little bit special because Taylor's put a huge amount of work into this car, and we're a good way into getting a final result on the stock engine now. So just thought we'd get a quick video, have a chat with Taylor, and just let you guys know exactly what's been done to this car. So Taylor, can you explain what you've done to it, and yeah, maybe how much money you've had to spend on it to get it to this level?
I can't say that purely because I can't remember.
And your girlfriend might be watching this.
Yes.
Right, yeah.
Full bolt-ons, so stage 2, we've got an intercooler, we've got intake system, custom intake system for the turbo. We've got the stock catalyst in there. We've got a turbo built by ORT Motorsport, so that's G35 1050 turbo, rated for 1050 horsepower, but probably not going to make that much on here. Apart from that, we've got fuel pump upgrades. So we've got a high pressure pump upgrade, which is ORT Motorsports, and we've got the Airtec low pressure fuel pump. Other than that, everything else is mostly stock on the car.
It's completely stock block at the minute, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we're doing a forged build for you, which some people might have seen some pictures online of that. It's been going on a little while. We've finally got the heads back from being ported and stuff, so it'll be interesting to see the results of that. But yeah, it's pretty amazing, I think, the amount of power and torque this is making on stock rods, stock pistons, and stock transmission and everything. So,
especially on 100,000 miles.
Yeah, it's about to click over 100k, and it's got double the torque it had from factory. So, doing okay. So yeah, the other thing it's got as well is you've had the. So this is a Manny head design, and the exhaust has been Imeco wrapped, isn't it, just to help with like keeping the engine bay temps down and stuff, and everything hot side's just been wrapped to the death to try and just keep the engine bay temps down. But yeah, exciting stuff, and we'll see what we make with a forged engine and maybe a bit more alcohol in it.
Yep, just a bit.